Hi Shruti, welcome to FIL-Bangalore. Uh, could you give a quick intro about yourself and what you do at Huddle?
Hi, I'm Shruti Appiah. I'm Chief Economist at Huddle01, and we're building a decentralized real-time communication system that completely democratizes connectivity over cyberspace.
And what have been the key highlights in the past year for you and Huddle01, like if you'd like to say?
Oh man, the past year has been ridiculously eventful. We've done various things all the way from building out our SDKs all the way to releasing our GRTC white paper, which we just did last month. It entails everything from the protocol economics to token economics, all the way to the system architecture and what we built for our core infrastructure as well, which is layer 3. One of the biggest trends that we see is we're starting to understand what some of these mechanisms are well suited for, particularly when it comes to node sales, right? Previously, there was a perception that node sales was very much so geared towards raising capital. So people were sort of like comparing it and using it in a similar way to token sales. But of course, like neither of those are well suited for raising capital or that they should be. Instead, what we're seeing is that node sales is actually much more geared towards creating distribution, creating decentralization, so that we can actually have our nodes distributed all across the world in a fairly like geographically distributed fashion.
So any alpha you'd like to drop for Huddle01?
Yeah, definitely. Recently we've been super excited about the ability for machines to interact with humans as well as machines to interact with machines. And so we are going to be rolling out our AI SDK, which is based on Python. And that way you're able to actually enable for AI agents to be interacting on the GRTC network itself in a super low latency as well as a low cost way. So super excited for that. We're going to be rolling that out tomorrow. So catch us over at Eat India. We'll be running a workshop there.